Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony. I hope you all are blessed and highly favored. Welcome back, my blessed and beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So as you can see from the title, I am big chopping my hair. You know how your hair is supposed to look and how it's been looking. Wait, let me put some more lip gloss on my lips, y'all, cause your girl, I'm about to be looking like a little tom-headed little boy, but that's okay though. We cool with that, y'all. But I've been literally watching like big chop videos for the last 2 hours just so I can get my mind right. And I think I'm ready, y'all. Like, plastic bag in hand, scissors ready, done. Like, I think I'm just gonna do it myself because I feel like if I don't do it myself, I'm gonna chicken out of doing it. And I'm gonna just chop it myself and then go to the barber and have them like shape me up. But y'all, my hair has just been, it's been so trash, and I've just been praying over it. I've been trying different things. I've been wearing protective styles, but it's like, it's not as like dense and full and luscious as it usually is. Like the front of my hair is like flat and it like heat damage, and look, like, what is this? Like, it's so choppy. It's so choppy. Like, I want a fresh start because I've been seeing so many girls big chop videos and their hair is literally flourishing out their scalp. Look, this is gonna be the picture thumbnail. Like what is that? So see-through. Like, this is literally see-through. Okay, let me just quit blabbering. Okay. God, yeah, so I prayed about this too. And this is like really impromptu. And I prayed about this because I've been just really wanting my hair to come back and flourish. I just feel like this is the best thing to do. I don't even know, what do you do? Like, do you just, let me watch another video. So it looks like what everyone did is just like took it and chopped it. So I'm guessing I'm gonna just start from the back. Okay, one more thing. Y'all, you know, this is the Blessed family and I love y'all so much. Today's actually my baptism and it is my 4-year anniversary of my baptism, which was on December the 5th, and it's also my dad's birthday. Just need to say that, okay. Oh my God, my head is so big right now. Oh, Jesus. Can I get a put an earring on or something, y'all? Oh, here they are. You can do this, just trust in yourself and your faith and your confidence and your self-love, Lord. You can do this, Ebony. Oh my God, look how see-through. Oh my God. Oh my God, I just did it. I literally just cut my hair, y'all. I did it. Wow. Oh my gosh. think right now. Like, I did it, y'all. Wow. I'm so, I can't believe I did this. Like, no, I'm literally having an outer body experience watching this. I'm so glad I got this on camera. Guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. My hair is completely done. Like, oh my god, I chopped my hair off. Wow. Okay, cool. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.